Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you guys how I go from straight and back to curly. So I will be honest with you, my hair has changed over the past few years. It hasn't been as healthy and as thick as it used to be. Currently my hair is sitting at waist length, but I think I need to cut it. So I'm starting off with warm water. I'm just letting my hair soak up the water. I have low porosity hair, so this takes quite some time. So here I am trying to squeeze the water into my strands, and of course it takes a really long time for my hair to drink up the water. Now in this clip you can see that my hair is finally starting to revert. So next I'm going in with some shampoo, and I'm adding a lot because I really want to make sure that I remove all the buildup that's on my hair, for example from my heat protectant and the oils that I was using over these past 2 months. So to be honest, right here I was noticing that my hair looks a lot looser and it also doesn't feel as thick. So now I'm going ahead and using warm water and rinsing out all the shampoo out of my hair and making sure to rub my scalp. So here's a quick comparison of what my hair looks like curly and what it looks like straight. So next I'm following up with some conditioner, and I'm using a generous amount of it because I really want to make sure that I get that moisture back into my hair. After 2 months of wearing my hair straight, my hair is crying for some moisture. So I'm just using my fingers to detangle my hair. I'm not using any combs for this. I will use a brush later on, but for right now I'm just using my fingers to lightly detangle my hair. Going back in with some more conditioner, I'm adding it to the back of my hair just because I felt like the back needed a little bit more moisture. So this is how much hair I lost on this side of my head. Not too much, but I definitely lost a lot more later on. So now going in with conditioner and applying it to the other side of my head, I'm just doing the same thing and working that conditioner through my hair and using my fingers to detangle. Adding a little bit more of the conditioner and getting that back portion. So now I'm going in with my detangler hairbrush, and I'm just going in and detangling my ends and working my way up. This does a really good job with getting out all those knots and also helping to define my hair because I actually end up doing a wash and go. So this is what my hair looks like with conditioner in it. Here I was looking in the mirror just trying to figure out whether or not I had heat damage, and I was definitely noticing some straighter pieces in the front of my head, like right here by my eyebrows and also by my ears. So you guys can kind of see the areas that are hanging very loose, and I actually ended up going ahead and trimming those off. I didn't have too much heat damage, but I definitely noticed some, especially at the front of my hair. And like I mentioned before, I've been noticing that my hair has been getting looser and looser as the years have gone by from me using too much heat. I think it's time for me to do a mini chop and get rid of some of these loose ends. So this area right here is where I cut. So here is what the back is looking like. I can definitely say I miss how my hair used to be. It was defined, it was healthy, it was thick, and I had no heat damage. I think I'm gonna make my way back to that.